What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yeah, we back with another video. Just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. We just gonna chop it up. It's been a year since this channel has been going. Just want to say salute to y'all. Salute to everybody that's been subscribed, following me on this wave journey. Let's get into it. So guys, we back. You already know I won WaveKing, doing a Wavebuilder unboxing upon what I got in the mail. So you know, we just go through that so y'all can see exactly what products they got. They sent me a few things here. We'll get into it. Shout out to everybody that voted for me. Appreciate y'all. Salute. January 2018. We got a lot coming this year. Not playing no games. We still pushing 720s. You already know. Let's get these games, y'all. This will just be an unboxing, and then go from there. So we'll get into it. Wavebuilder stretch cap, do-rag, sweatband. That's pretty cool. Play rock to the gym. Another do-rag sweatband, do-rag. We got do-rag. We got do-rag. We got a good supply of do-rags. Okay guys, we got washing waves. We got spinning waves. We got ripple cream. We got super wax pomade. Sorry about the lighting. We got, ooh, open this up. Oils. Let's see what we got. Looks like a Wavebuilder oils. Looks pretty dope. I've never seen this before. Got to look into this. Another one. Deep wave pomade. Hey. We got pomade, Coco Shea. We got Edge-tastic. Wow. Edge waving enhancer. More wave butter, Coco Shea. Another wave butter, Coco Shea. That's pretty much it for the video, y'all. It's an unboxing of the Wavebuilder product. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell if you want to be notified. No matter of fact, hit the bell so that you could be notified when I drop a video, because I'm about to be dropping them back to back to back to back to back. Just watch, I'm about to be dropping them back to back. So just be ready, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. Salute.